Welcome to Module 8, Online Job Search and Career Tools. In this module, we are going to walk through 3 of the most popular platforms for finding jobs online: Indeed, NC Works, and LinkedIn. You will learn how to sign in, search for jobs, use filters, review listings, and start an application. We will also look at what makes a resume ATS-friendly and how to send a professional follow-up email after you apply. Let's get started. Here we are on the Indeed website. Indeed is one of the largest job search sites in the country. On this page, you can see the heading Ready to Take the Next Step, and below it, a few options for signing in. You can continue with Google, continue with Apple, or enter your email address and click Continue. We are going to sign in with Google, since our demo account is a Gmail address. A Google pop-up appears asking you to choose an account. You can see our demonstration account with the email ptbijhubdemo@gmail.com. Click on the account you want to use. If you have more than one Google account on your computer, they will all show up here, and you can pick the right one. Google now shows a confirmation screen. It says Sign in to Indeed and lists what information Indeed will be able to access: your name, profile picture, and email address. This is standard for any site that uses Google Sign-In. Click the Continue button at the bottom to finish signing in. Indeed is now asking us to add and verify a phone number. This is a security step. Type your phone number into the field and click Verify. Indeed will send a text message with a code you will need to enter on the next screen. This helps keep your account safe from unauthorized access. Now we're signed in and on the Indeed homepage. At the top, you can see 2 search fields. The one on the right says city, state, zip code, or remote. Click on that field and type the location where you want to work. You can enter a city and state, a zip code, or the word remote if you want to work from home. The field on the left says job title, keywords, or company. Click on this field and type what kind of work you are looking for. You can enter a job title like office assistant, a keyword like data entry, or a specific company name. We are going to type office assistant. With office assistant in the keyword field and Greensboro, North Carolina in the location field, we are ready to search. Click the blue search button to the right of the location field. Indeed will pull up a list of jobs that match what you entered. Now we have results. At the top of the results page, you will see filter buttons: pay, remote, distance, job type, experience level, and date posted. These filters help you narrow down the list. For example, you can click Date Posted to see only jobs posted in the last 24 hours or the last week. Below the filters, you can see job listings on the left and a preview panel on the right showing more details for the highlighted listing. Scroll through the listings on the left side and click on a job title that catches your eye. Here we can see several administrative assistant positions at different companies and locations around the Greensboro area. Each listing shows the company name, location, and sometimes the pay and job type. Click on the one that looks like a good fit. When you click on a listing, the right side of the screen shows the full details. Here we are looking at an administrative assistant position at High Point University. You can see the job type is full-time, the job address is 1 University Parkway in High Point, North Carolina, and there is a button that says Apply on company site. Below that, you will find the full job description. Always read through the full description before you apply so you know exactly what the employer expects. Now let us look at NC Works online. You can find it at ncworks.gov. This is North Carolina's official job search website, run by the state. Along with job listings, NC Works offers career services and can help you find a career center near you. At the bottom of the page, you can see stats like how many resumes were updated this week, how many new jobs were posted today, and the current unemployment rate. The search bar on NC Works works just like the one on Indeed. There is a field for keywords and a field for location. We have already typed office assistant in Greensboro, North Carolina. You will also see a link for advanced search options, which gives you more ways to refine your results. And notice the Find a Career Center Near You link. Career centers offer free, in-person help with things like resume writing and interview preparation. Click the search button to run your search. If you want to narrow your results before you search, click Advanced Search Options to set more specific criteria like salary range or job type. Here are the NC Works search results. On the left side, you will see filters for distance, job deduplication, and posted within. The distance filter lets you choose how far from your location you are willing to commute, from exact match all the way out to 100 miles. The posted within filter lets you narrow results to jobs posted today, in the last few days, or in the last month. On the right, you see the actual job listings with the title, employer, location, and a brief description. Click View to see the full details for any listing, or Share to send it to someone. Before you start applying, it is important to make sure your resume is ready. Here we have opened a resume saved on Google Drive. This is a sample resume for a fictional job seeker named John Smith. Notice the clean layout. The name and contact information are at the top, followed by a summary, work experience, education, and skills. This kind of straightforward formatting is called ATS-friendly. ATS stands for Applicant Tracking System. Many employers use software to scan resumes before a person ever reads them. The software looks for keywords, job titles, and qualifications that match the job posting. A resume with unusual formatting, graphics, or tables can confuse the software and cause your application to get filtered out. That is why a simple, clean layout matters. Look at the work experience section. Each job entry lists the company name, location, job title, and dates of employment, followed by bullet points describing what the person did in that role. This is the format most employers and ATS systems expect. Also notice the skills section at the bottom, which lists specific tools and abilities like Microsoft Word, Google Docs, multi-line phone systems, and data entry. These keywords help the ATS match your resume to relevant job postings. The education section shows the degree earned, the school name, and the graduation date. If you have certifications or additional training, this is a good place to include them. The key takeaway here is to keep your resume clean, organized, and free of fancy formatting. Use standard section headings, a simple font, and make sure all of your relevant skills and experience are clearly listed. Now let us walk through the application process. We are back on Indeed, and we have found an administrative assistant position at Daymark Recovery Services in Winston-Salem, North Carolina. The pay is listed as $17 to $19 an hour. When a listing shows an Apply with Indeed button, that means you can submit your application directly through the Indeed website without visiting a separate company site. Click the Apply with Indeed button to begin. Indeed will walk you through the application steps, which usually include confirming your contact information, uploading or selecting your resume, and answering any questions the employer has added. Some applications can be completed in just a few minutes, especially if you have your resume already uploaded to your Indeed profile. After you submit an application, sending a follow-up email is a great way to show your interest and professionalism. Here we are in Gmail, composing a follow-up message. The subject line says, "Follow up on application for office assistant," which is clear and specific. The body of the email is short and to the point. It mentions the position applied for, expresses continued interest, highlights relevant experience, and invites the employer to reach out if they need any additional information. At the bottom, you include your full name, phone number, and email address. A follow-up like this does not have to be long, but it can help you stand out from other applicants. Now let us look at LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a professional networking site, and it also has a built-in job search tool. Here we are on the LinkedIn homepage, where you can see the heading Explore Jobs and Grow Your Network. We can see several sign-in options. We are going to click Continue as Demonstration to sign in with the Google account tied to pdbijubdemo@gmail.com. After signing in, we land on the LinkedIn profile page for our demonstration account. Up in the navigation bar at the top, you can see icons for Home, My Network, Jobs, Messaging, and Notifications. Click the Jobs icon, which looks like a small briefcase, to go to LinkedIn's job search page. Here is the LinkedIn Jobs page. On the left, you can see your profile summary and links to Preferences, Job Tracker, and My Career Insights. Preferences lets you set the types of jobs you are interested in, so LinkedIn can recommend better matches. Job Tracker keeps a record of jobs you have saved or applied for. On the right, LinkedIn is prompting you to start a search by clicking Search Now. Click Search Now to open the search fields. LinkedIn will then show you recommendations based on your profile, your preferences, and jobs in your area. You can also type in your own keywords and location to search for something specific. Here are our LinkedIn search results. At the top, you can see Office Assistant in the keyword field and Greensboro, North Carolina in the location field. Below the search bar, there are filter buttons for distance, date posted, experience level, salary, company, remote, and easy apply. The results list shows job titles, company names, locations, and when each job was posted. You'll also notice some listings are marked as easy apply, which means you can apply directly through LinkedIn without leaving the site. This works a lot like the Apply with Indeed feature we saw earlier. That's it for Module 8. Today we covered 3 major job search platforms. Indeed is a great general-purpose site with a large number of listings and an easy application process. NCWorks is North Carolina's official job board, and it connects you with career services and local career centers. And LinkedIn lets you search for jobs while building your professional network at the same time. We also looked at what makes a resume ATS-friendly and how to send a professional follow-up email after you apply. In the next module, we'll explore e-commerce. See you there.